Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What's up? Today's video how to promote your website with Google AdWords. Promote your site with Google AdWords. If you new website making and promotion with Google AdWords can quickly increase. One biggest misconception about your Google AdWords is that you are needed speed, lot money and time make to worth easily or your similar business with limit bigger articles will you take with Google Ads and work. What is Google AdWords? AdWords Google AdWords only advertising platform that help business display ads on Google advertising network. With Google AdWords you create site business, choose when ads approval your explained you can choosing in have ad display how to Google search results like this. For example, that's meaning contact benefit ads keywords will create select keywords you want tasks and text. These keywords is benefit Google display and when simply submit search Google. Check out this what is AdWords video Google's how choosing where when to your ad displayed. We use to Google AdWords target user access to many network search network and display. By running your ads on the search network, you are build keywords that are resold and your business Google team display your ads user when to enter target similar keywords on your Google search result page. On your other hand, AdWords Google on display network ads approval large collection website search Google opening web AdSense publisher site mobile app video content. For example, your banner appear YouTube will both search display network and management via Google Ads. The team's AdWords typically and to refer your search network. When to use a Google search network, running ads the search network, the most common will now play per click advertising will your ads on search network. Your ads will eligible to appear your Google search result page and pay user click your ads. Basically is target active search view mission find something. This advertising from can vary effect typically dive move constant display network ad. The search network is idea if you are selling incoming product service such a pamphley looking effect visa basic from mid target active search improvement that's ads approval are needed product of service. You are working with limit bigger because that format trading device constant easily see end result. When to using Google display network. According to Google the display network it made your our 2 million website reached 90% of global internet user. The increased Google AdSense publisher site and Google site search Google financial bloggers and YouTubers. Basically explanation display network idea advertising who looking explained the online purchasing building ownership that's format does generation and many constant user the display site not easily in the times shopping modes. For example, and must affect your user and themes level content the Very original effect. Click target your website. This display network ideas your promotion at brand always basically the display network allow your search more user and financial themes your brand. You are selling product service customer and not likely purchase such can your ads engine ranking classic manage goalback and that's your brand still top made purpose that's formats especially affect increase ranking that's allow show your ad user who help process visiting your site wonder we always selling the some ads every you can go on the internet you are probably something recommending listing you have product display network allow display images video ads the idea advertising will product search supported explained whether how to use google adsense account step by step google adwords before before starting on google ads will be needed step ads google ads google gave you a option and creation adword account using extend google account you will also create a new account successful and use with adwords get to your on ready today start the click next will be asked your email address your website url welcome to adwords what is your email address what is your website yes I opening recommended improvement performance no I don't tips and recommended improvement performance tap to continue three basic information your google will recommended the best adword platform your business adverse experience if you haven't continue adverse click shift your ad google ads well recommended ads experience business basically information sharing your ads choose your very large customer google ad experience and advertising platform design a similar business on that platform keywords management and performance automatic reach management at directly customer the page for next you will escape your first campaign choosing daily highlights and target audience google will also your select network when your site search network and display network 5 you are will needed also needed select keywords your band enter your ad text task 6 they will enter your some basic your account search location and details how to use google adsense schedule and complaints if you are only paying run and single complex adverse account strategy will simply but your interest running multiple complaints similar that you can complaint artifacts play to property optimization your account schedules from outsides the idea google ads schedule individual complaints search groups arts and groups will your keywords and landing page the many was schedule adverse account depended you are needed explain google ads account basically product and server graphy location If your business opening service different markets, Google have wonderful video that show you can optimization your website. The final building block AdWords and keywords will be create at select keywords you want target these keywords when Google display your with something submit search Google's very advertising AdWords build keywords prevent business your are show user went keywords interest not build keywords that outlines before you can keywords which Google's first building opening they are creation going to before Google free keyword planner that's have finding keywords idea estimate you have platform how to have I play first format advanced basically action system you can keywords instead build theme your cost using advert dependent a number value we your built keywords are testing Google how too much play user clicks on your ads explained see maximum built $1 you have ads will be user clicks $1 increase cost per cancelled cost per click CPC average cost per click between $1 and $2 search network CPC and display network where these keywords that cost $15 so more click but these types highlights complete keywords like law insurance but starting paying AdWords only most boring expansion ads ranking CPC built is equal to quality score using formula based CPC built quality score a better promotion how to Google how, how can I get most Google ads this was AdWord effect maximum return invest you are speeding minimum store complex cost between choose your keywords don't send traffic directly home page subscribe my channel for latest mission update thanks for watching